How to activate BOB Player 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate BOB Player on your device. So first of all, let me tell you that you need MAC address and device key to activate your device. So for that, you have to open BOB Player app on your TV, and you have to you can see this kind of interface there, and you just have to then click on manage playlist from your TV. And after clicking on manage playlist, you can see your MAC address and device key there, and you have to just write it down or take a screenshot or take a photo of your MAC address and device key. And after that, you have to come to your device. It can be a mobile or smartphone. It can be a PC or laptop. So after coming to another device, you have to come to bobplayer.com, the official website of Bob Player. And after coming here, you have to click on the active device like this one, and you have to click on there, and you just simply write down the MAC address and device key you have taken a screenshot or taken image of. And please be sure to write the correct address and on the correct way or in the correct order. And after that, you have to write down the captcha you will see here. And after that, you have to click on login, and it's as simple as that. Then your BOB player will be activated on your device successfully. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.